Are you struggling with your Sceptre TV black screen? Do not worry. In this video, we're going to fix the dark screen issue on your Sceptre TV. Method 1. Check HDMI cable and ports. Make sure your HDMI cable is connected properly. Unplug and replug it in both the TV and your external device. Also, try using a different HDMI port or cable to rule out a faulty connection. Method 2. Power cycle the TV. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the power source, and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Wait a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This helps reset the internal components. Method 3. Backlight test. Shine a flashlight on the screen while the TV is on. If you can see a faint image, it's likely a backlight issue. You may need professional help to repair or replace the backlight. Method 4. Reset picture settings. Sometimes incorrect picture settings cause display issues. Go to the TV's settings menu if visible and reset the picture settings to default. Method 5. Check for loose connections inside. If you're comfortable, remove the back panel of the TV and check for any loose cables or connections. Gently secure them if any are disconnected. Method 6. Test power supply board. The black screen could be caused by a faulty power supply board. If your TV powers on audio works but no video, this might be the issue. Consult a technician for further diagnosis or replacement. Method 7. Disable power saving mode. If your TV is stuck in a low power mode, go into the settings and disable any energy saving or power saving options that might be affecting the display. Method 8. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset from the settings menu or using the buttons on the TV itself. Be aware this will erase any custom settings. If you're still facing the issue, then it might be time to get in touch with the Sceptre TV customer support for further instructions or replacement if your TV is under warranty.